Hello everyone, I am Sonia Sharma, Faculty Commerce at the Venkateshwara School, Gurgaon. Today I am here to clarify you about the meaning and law of demand. Demand is a very important concept of economics that should be very much clear if you are going to study economics. So let me start with its meaning. Demand basically it is an economic principle which refers to that the consumer's willingness to buy a particular thing and his readiness to spend money on that particular product at particular prices at given point of time. Means right now in the market whatever the prevailing price for the product is, and the consumer is willing to spend money out of his pocket on that particular product, that will be considered as his demand. Now sometimes people think that if we desire to have something, that is demand, but only a wishful desire to have things is not demand. When you are ready to make expenditure on that product at particular point of time or at the given prices, then it will be considered as demand. Now let me tell you about law of demand. That law of demand says that if there are rise in prices in the market, means prices are rising so high, so what would happen with demand? The law says that at that time demand will fall, and if there is fall in price, then what happened? According to the law, at that time demand rise. But there is an assumption. Whenever you study economics, you must keep in mind that there are certain assumptions. Whomsoever has given some laws, they keep some assumptions in mind. So with this law of demand, there is an assumption in mind that that other things, other factors which affect our demand, those remains constant. It means that suppose it could be striking in your mind that you are very rich and your demand will not be affected with rise in price. So your richness, your factor, your this factor of income, we are keeping that certain, means fixed at a level, means there will be no change in your income, and you are not keeping in mind that your income is so high. You are just focusing on price, how price is going to affect the demand. So there could be some other factors also, like taste and preferences, your habits, and the complementary goods are there, related goods like substitute goods are there. So many things could be there which affect your demand. Weather is there, population of the country is there, so it could be the effect of other factors also on your demand. But according to the law, we are focusing only on the price, and the prices of that product only, not the price of other related product, but the price of that related product only. Thank you. Have a nice day.